How to fix unable to check for updates on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are in here, you have to move into Wi-Fi. If it is turned on, first of all you have to turn it off and turn it on again. And then click on Forget Password. You have to re-enter the password again. Once it has been done, the next step is to go back to Settings and move into General. Scroll all the way down and then click on Shutdown at the bottom. You have to power off your device and then reopen it. Once you reopen it, you have to enter the passcode of your device. Now the next thing you want to do is tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone and then click on Reset. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you have to click on Reset Network Settings. After that, you have to enter the passcode of your device and then enter the screen time passcode. At the very end, you have to click on Reset Network Settings and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix unable to check for updates error on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.